Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in kitchen essentials, and today, we're looking at something that will make your burger making experience easier than ever: Katbite Hamburger Patty Paper. If you've ever struggled with frozen patties sticking together or dealing with messes in the kitchen, this product is the solution you didn't know you needed. Katbite Patty Paper is the best patty paper geometry, designed for ultimate convenience and performance. In this video, we'll dive into why Katbite Hamburger Patty Paper is a must-have tool for anyone who loves grilling, cooking, or just preparing meals at home. This product comes with 1,000 sheets of non-stick parchment paper, each measuring 5.5 by 5.5 inches, perfectly sized for separating your hamburger patties. These squares are made from thicker 40 GSM wood pulp paper, offering more durability compared to the standard 28 GSM or 35 GSM sheets that you typically find. Whether you're freezing patties for later use or stacking them in your burger press, these sheets prevent your patties from sticking, ensuring they come apart easily every time. Katbite Patty Paper is also incredibly versatile. It's not just for burgers. You can use these parchment squares in the microwave, oven, or freezer. They're heat-resistant, with a temperature range from -68 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can use them in virtually any cooking or food preparation method. From freezing ground beef patties to wrapping candy or even baking, Katbite Patty Paper does it all. The non-toxic, food-grade silicone coating on both sides ensures that it's safe for all types of cooking, and it's completely free of any harmful fluorescent chemicals. One of the standout features of this product is its tear-resistant quality. It's perfect for separating frozen patties that are packed tightly together. You can separate your patties up to 3 times without worrying about the paper tearing. This durability makes it a reliable and cost-effective solution for long-term use. The 1,000 sheets come in a beautifully designed box, making storage a breeze. The sheets are flat and easy to access whenever you need them, without any hassle. Just take a piece out, place it between your patties, and you're good to go. It's that simple. Overall, if you're looking for a high-quality, practical solution for separating patties, baking, or general food prep, Katbite Hamburger Patty Paper is a product that will change the way you cook. It's safe, reliable, and built to last, making it the perfect addition to your kitchen toolkit. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products to make your life easier.